guys, so today I'm just going to be making a quick video about how to dye your eyebrows to make them appear both thicker and darker. I do this personally because I have blonde hair and I was born with very, very blonde eyebrows, so I looked like I had no eyebrows. But for anyone who just prefers the dark eyebrow look, which I know is in now, you can just dye your eyebrows and they look amazing. You don't have to fill them in every day when you do your makeup. I personally don't like to wear that much makeup all the time, considering that I'm always at school or work and I just don't have the time. So I like to fill in my eyebrows to speed up my process. Anyways, so I'm just gonna be making this quick video before I have to get back to my homework for college. But real quick, let me just show you what you're going to need. Okay, I go to Walmart and it only costs like $10 and it lasts you forever. Like I've had the same box for like a year and I haven't run out yet. What you're going to need is, I get this Just for Men beard dye. It's actually meant for dyeing your beard. Anyways, in the box it comes with both the color base. Oh, come on, get into focus. It comes with both the color base and the developer. So that's what you're gonna need. And then you'll also need a small brush so you can apply it to your eyebrows easily. And then a container to mix the dye and the developer in, which I'm using the top of a contact case. And then you'll need either Vaseline or some sort of cream to put around your eyebrows to keep the dye from staining around your eyebrows. Since I don't have Vaseline right now, I'm just going to be using this tube of Neosporin. I've used it before. It works fine. So let me move on to the bathroom so I can show you how to start mixing the dye and everything. It's real quick, super easy process. I'll see you in the bathroom. Okay, I don't have anywhere else to put my camera, so I guess I'm just going to be sitting on the counter. Hello. Anyways, so you're going to take this little cap right here and you're going to first add some developer. And since your eyebrows are very small, you don't really need to add super much. So right here, I'm just going to add a little dollop right there. That should be just about enough. Just a small amount. Okay? And then after you add that in, you're going to add in the color base. And whenever you go to the store and choose out your color, just choose something that will be a shade or two darker than your hair color, or whatever, just depending on your preference of how you liked your eyebrows colored. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add a little drop of the color. And that much should be about fine. Then you're going to go ahead and take your brush, which you're going to use to apply the dye to your eyebrows. And you're just, oh, I have a hair. and you're just going to mix it all up into this little cap until it's all evenly mixed, just like that. And then I like to scrape it all into one side, just so it's easier to dip my brush into. And then you're gonna let it set aside for a few seconds while you apply the Vaseline or other cream around your eyebrows to avoid the staining. And then I'm gonna use a mirror. Sorry guys. I'm gonna be looking over here to use the mirror. And then you just put it around your eyebrows. Try not to get it on your eyebrows or the dye might not hold where you want it to. And if I didn't mention before you start dyeing your eyebrows, you're going to want your face to be completely clean. So just wash it with your favorite facial wash and, make sure you don't have any leftover makeup in your eyebrows. So now I'm going to take my scrunchie and tie my hair up. God, this lighting is so bad. I didn't even realize. I'm going to take my scrunchie and I'm going to tie my hair up so I don't get any dye in my hair. I'm just going to go ahead and dip into the dye. Just get a good little glop on my brush. And then I'm going to have to use the mirror again and just start applying it to to my eyebrows where I want it to be. Okay, now I'm gonna start doing the other eyebrow. Okay, once you have your eyebrows in the shape that you want them to be, then I'm just gonna take the extra dye and I'm just gonna pack it on to my brow just to make sure everything is dyed thoroughly. Gotta get both brows. Sometimes I like to use the extra dye to dye my eyelashes, but that process is a little more complicated, so if you guys want to see that in another video, let me know down below. So now that I have the dye on my eyebrows, I'm just going to go ahead and rinse these off, and then you wait for 10 to 15 minutes depending on how dark you like your eyebrows. I like mine dark, so I usually go for 15 minutes. My favorite thing to do while I'm waiting for my eyebrows, I like to go on Snapchat and take a funny selfie with the dye on my eyebrows, because me and my best friend Sarah, we used to dye eyebrows together, but now that she's in college, I just send her pictures whenever I do my eyebrows, and it's just funny. So find your person and, you know, send them funny eyebrow pictures. You can do plenty of things while waiting. Also, you can work on some homework, which I'm not gonna do.
It's from Spotify.
You can also have a little dance party.
She rocks in the treetop all the day long, rapping in the ballad, singing a song. All little birds on tweet, tweet, rockin' robin, tweet, 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 rockin' robin, tweet, tweet.
I don't know how to dance. Hello there. Okay, I'm back. Now that my eyebrows are nice and dark and, you know, intense, it's time to wash them off and see what's underneath. Normally I use just like a cotton ball and wet it with water, swipe. But I don't have that, so I'm just taking a dark colored towel so I don't stain it, and I'm going to wet it with water. Sorry, don't mind my bathroom. It's really dirty right now. Probably should clean that, but that's not what the video is about. So I'm gonna wet it. And then I'm just gonna wipe it off. And there you have it. My eyebrows are dyed, and obviously they're a lot darker than my hair color. So yeah, that's it. If you want to see more videos, let me know. And you know, that's all. Bye.